Assignment question on conditionals. You have to solve this question first and then cross-check your output with the solution given in the video. Take two values, length and breadth of a rectangle, and check if it is a square or not. We take a value LE, length as L is equal to float input, and we ask the user to enter GTH. User will enter a length and length will be stored in variable L. B is equal to breadth float input. Here we ask the user to enter BREADTH breadth. User will enter a breadth which is a string, will be typecasted to float and stored in B. Then we have to check the condition. If L is equivalent to B, means length is equivalent to breadth, print it is a square. Else you have to print it is not a square. Click on the cell, run the cell, print the value of length 10.5052, 10.052. It is a square. If length and breadth of a rectangle is equal, then it is a square. Take two values from the user and print the greatest among them. We are taking two values from the user. V1 is equal to int. Okay, let this two value be float input. Prompt the user with a proper message. Enter a float value. User will enter a first value. It will be stored in V1. V2 is equal to float input. Enter a float value. User will enter the second value and it will be stored in V2. We have to compare if V1 is greater than V2. Condition will be checked whether V1 is greater than V2. Then we print using F formatting, F double quotes. In this case we print the value of variable V1 is greater. Then we check another condition. Let's take it upward. Elif we check the condition. V2 greater than V1 colon print F formatting double quotes and the double quotes V2 is greatest. Else if both these conditions are not satisfied, then print both are equal. and double quotes, and there we go, we test our program. Enter the first value as 20, v1 as 20, v2 as 30, 30 is greater. Again check, v1 as 100, v2 as 10, v1 is great, 100 is greater, and last one is 10 and another is also 10, both are equal. Last question, write a program to rate the age of a candidate and determine whether it is eligible for casting his or her vote. We take the age is equal to int, typecast it by input, typecast by int, input, prompt the user, enter age, user will enter age. What we will check? We will check if age is greater than 18, greater than equal to 18, then print he or she can vote. If this is not so, then we move to else part. Inside the else part we print he or she cannot vote. Okay, click on the cell, give the value 18. Again click on the cell, run the cell, give the value 18. He or she can vote. Click on the cell, run the cell and give the value less than 18, 17. He cannot vote. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. See you in the next video.